to Soul Horoscope's AstroWeather edition. My name is Christopher Witecki, and I'm your stand-up astrologer. Well, it's Friday, October 24, 2008. The sun's progressed to 1 degree Scorpio, and the moon today is in Virgo. Let's take a look at those planets. Well, probably the most alarming part of the weekend is this. That nasty old opposition, that fault line between Saturn in Virgo and Uranus up in Pisces. And it's all going to get intensified when the moon, let's zoom in, crosses Saturn in the next 24 hours or so. In each 12 zodiac races, I will explain how the moon crossing Saturn really does involve us emotionally growing up somewhere, and not just growing up, but hitting that fault line, which means we're going to both have to grow up emotionally and also have a leap of faith. Plus the sun, which today is officially 1 degree Scorpio. So we are all officially in the first chapter of the Sun-Scorpio transit. On a global scale, you can start to see people really taking sides. I expect the national elections in the United States to get very intense now. People are going to be all Barack or all McCain-Palin. So either way, in each of our lives, I will outline what the first 10 days means for you and how it's time to take a side in your life. But before you click on your horoscope, let's take a look at the moons of each of our brothers and sisters. Let's begin with the intellectual and chatty air signs. Gemini, sunny nesting and resting this weekend. They'll be doing foundation repair with the moon crossing Saturn. The Librans, cloudy and feeling sort of blah. They'll be healing from childhood wounds and pulling weeds. And the Aquas are cloudy with a chance of randy. They'll be removing some onion layers of intimacy. Now on to our fire signs. Aries, sunny and hyper-aware, doing some maturing around lifestyle or health this weekend. The Leos, sunny and productive. They're really healing some soul capital or moving ahead with productivity or actually even making money. And the Sagittarius are sunny and productive, and they are moving on up like the Jeffersons. Now on to our earth signs. Taurus, sunny and childlike, but ending some Peter Pan syndrome issues in their life. The Virgos, sunny and cool, but they might get triggered with their ego. And the Capricorns are cloudy and philosophical. They'll be doing just some overall broad stroke emotional learning. They've got it the easiest. Then lastly, our H2Os. Cancer, sunny and chatty. They are disarming emotional triggers to the weekend. Sorry about that. The Scorpios, sunny and social. They're forgiving the world, which is a good thing. And the Pisces are sunny and sentimental. They're facing some real relationship facts this weekend. All right, that's all I have for today's Astro Weather. Be sure to click on your own horoscope for the details of what's going on with you. If you're not watching us in the mothership, come on down. We've got all 12 zodiac signs and their horoscopes 5 days a week. And we're out there under a healing Virgo moon. I'll be in the studio covering your Astro.